In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a banner from a YouTube channel using an Android. There are several reasons why someone might need to remove a YouTube channel banner. One common reason is to rebrand or update the channel's visual identity to reflect new content, style, or goals. Additionally, removing the banner may be necessary to fix design issues such as incorrect dimensions, blurry images, or text that's not visible on different devices. In some cases, creators might want a cleaner or more minimalistic look without a banner at all. Normally, if we change anything about our channel, we launch the YouTube app. Go to our channel dashboard and tap on this pen icon to edit the details. But if I want to remove the banner from here, you can see that there is no such option to remove the banner. You can change the banner from here, but you can't remove it from here. To remove the banner, you have to use the Google Chrome browser. Launch the Google Chrome browser. In the search bar, search for youtube.com. In the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on your profile icon. In the Profile menu, click on View Channel. Now tap on Customize Channel. After tapping Customize, your browser should automatically switch to desktop mode. Now, if I zoom in on the banner section, you can see that the Remove option is available alongside the Change option. Tap Remove. Now go to the top right corner of the screen and tap on Publish. Let's go back now. Here you can see that our channel banner is no longer showing, which means we have successfully removed our channel banner. Following these steps, you can remove your YouTube channel banner easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.